Hello there. The company mi-invernadero is bringing the new series of greenhouses L. Wider, bigger capacity, better quality, but you'll be as satisfied when using our high-quality greenhouses. We are presenting the new video of the assembly of the greenhouses from this new series, and specifically the assembly you will see is the model L12, as it measures 8 meters wide per 12 meters long. Next, you're going to see how step by step you easily can build it, and as usually for our greenhouses, only 2 people can do it. Step 1. Open up the 4 starter boxes and assemble only 2 of the 3 arches. Leave a third one for the end. Mount these 2 arches from the top to the bottom. Also, add the diagonal and horizontal bars. Once these 2 arches put together, they'll stay upright. Step 2. Open now the addition boxes 2-1 and 2-2. You'll find the arches to mount and add at this point. Repeat this step until there are no more addition boxes left, adding up the control bar for each arch. At the end, mount and add the arch left on step 1 and add, as in the beginning, the diagonal bars. Step 3. Square the greenhouse, measuring the diagonals of the greenhouse. When the diagonals measure the same, then the greenhouse is squared. Step 4. Assemble the front part from boxes door, frame, plus windows. Step 5. Secure the greenhouse to the ground with thin iron construction bars of about 40-50 centimeters long. Hammer them next to the greenhouse's legs and screw them together with a clamp so the structure is well fixed. Step 6. Make a ditch around the structure of the greenhouse. Step 7. Put the plastic on the front and bottom parts. Mount and put the doors and windows too. Step 8. Stretch out the plastic aside and help you out with a rope to put it over the structure and cover it up carefully to avoid damaging the plastic. Stretch it out and fix it to the frontal arches with the clips. Bury the excess of plastic from the side in the ditch and stretch it tight. Step 9. Finally, put the elastic rope over the plastic from side to side like a zigzag, hooking it up to the base of the arches with hooks.